Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. In case it is your very first time coming across this beautiful channel, welcome. My name is Misano, and kindly don't forget to subscribe, give a video a thumbs up, and comment down below on what you think on today's video. So yeah guys, I'm feeling like I'm yes, so okay, don't mind if it looks dirty. I've just bought it. Yeah, it is written New York City, and yeah, I just loved it. So guys, today is on a weekend, and I decided to go to the market and get some 1 2 3 things that I didn't have, mostly fruits, some tomatoes, and some onions. Yeah, that is what I've done. So I want to show you what I've bought, and then so because you all know that it is the rainy season, and I decided to do some haul, which is a jacket. Yeah, the ones that are going to keep me hot, the ones that are going to keep me warm during this rainy season. And I've got so many pretty things right over here, and that is what I'm usually going to show you. So they are right over here. I know you can see a heap. Maybe I turn on my bulb. I don't know how it will be. I don't know if I'm being seen right. They're right over here, so let me turn it off because I don't want this light over here. Yeah, so they're right over here, and I can't wait to show you guys because I'm so much excited. I think I was with God. I got so cheap things, so many cheap things that are okay, they aren't that cheap, but according to me they were so cheap, you know. And I'm so much happy to show you this. I don't know if you're excited. Guys, I bought some kienyeji's, that is African vegetable. That is what I'm cooking right now. So that is what you have seen right over here, and I've just put it on the gas, so they are cooking, and it is lunchtime, so that is what I'm gonna do right now. So guys, as we go, right before we go to the haul, let me show you what I got for the kitchen stuff. That is all the onions, all those stuffs. Of course I didn't get much, but I'm so much excited about what I'm gonna show you today. So let me show you how I am dressed today, and it is a simple weekend thing. Yeah. Don't judge me guys. Yeah, so I don't know, let me show you. I'm very sure you're gonna be excited. Yeah. So this is, I don't know if you can see me. I don't know if you can see me right, but this is how basically I am dressed. And guys, make sure that you've already subscribed. I've just given you some time to subscribe, you know, and I can't wait to show you this. So subscribe, and let's go straight to it. Yeah, let me show you what I've got for today, right? Yeah. So guys, these are the things that I've got. I've got onions, I've got some tomatoes. Yeah, I have got these ones. Yeah, and I've got these tomatoes and all those. So I'm supposed to wash them before I put them to the rack. And yes, so this is these are the roots of the vegetables that I've removed. I'm gonna remove them right over here. Yeah, so this is what it is, and this is what I've bought. So guys, I have been doing cleaning, like, yeah, I was to show you, but I think I'm gonna create another video to show you how I do my cleaning. So this is what I've bought. Yeah, they're just here, and yeah, they're right over here. So I'm gonna show you all of them. So this is what I've got, this one and the other ones right over here. So my house is on a mess right now, guys. I've just cleaned my carpet. I was thinking of cleaning this duvet, but I haven't already. These ones are also are clean, are supposed to be folded, and I haven't done yet. So I think I'm a bit lazy, but I'm gonna do that after taking my lunch. So yeah, my duvet, guys, I wanted to wash my duvet today, but because I have only one duvet and the weather isn't good because it is on the rainy season, I'm gonna wait until maybe another time when I get an extra duvet. Yeah, so that is how everything is right now. Don't judge me, guys. I'm done, like I'm just from deep cleaning my house. So yeah, that is how everything looks like. And I've got this, it goes for $5. It is so big for that cash, so don't let me take it. But I don't know if it is okay, but I think it is okay. So maybe when I gonna cut it, I'm gonna show you. Hopefully it is going to be a very good one. Yeah, so guys, I think we should go straight to the video. And as we wait for vegetables to get ready, let me show you what I got for today, and I'm very sure you're going to love them. So this is how I am right now. Yeah, I'm so much happy. I don't know, I'm happy. Yeah, so let me start with the first one. And oh my goodness, I loved this one with all my heart. With all my heart, I can't wait for you to see it. So this is the first one. It is woo, it is very long. You can see that it is very, very long. And guys, I'm not that tall, so you're gonna excuse me for that. I'm not that tall. So here, oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling hot. How do I look, guys? Rate this one. So this is the first one, I guess. Okay, I'm feeling comfortable in it. I'm feeling very, very comfortable in it. So I want you to guess down below, what do you think is the cost of this coat? I'm very sure that maybe some of you are going to guess it right, but I want you to guess and don't overthink. So after you guessing, I'm gonna give you the price. And this went for $6. Can you imagine that? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Oh, your girl is looking hot. Yeah, and then it is very long. So I don't know if I walk this way, are you going to see it? Oh my goodness. Yeah. So this is number one. I want you to comment down below, what do you think? Is this one a pass or a miss? Is this one a pass or a miss? And then I want you to suggest down below the type of maybe clothing that you may expect me to wear with it. Yeah, sorry, my eyes, guys, are having a little problem. Okay, I've been suffering from eyesight since I was in. Okay, let me show you. I'll share that story later. So right now is a time of being cute and super cute. Yeah, so let's go to outfit number 2. Okay, when you've looked at it, what do you think? I want you to comment. Is it a pass or a miss, even if I've not worn it? So let me wait, and then maybe you comment and tell me, what do you think? Here. 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 So guys, this one is just okay, because when I wait at the market, it was pretty fine, but the lining inside, it has been overslimmed. So what I'm going to do is to tear it and then sew it afresh, because you can see this one, it looks a bit like it is tight, but it isn't tight, guys. It is the lining that is inside. So you can see this one is just okay, but when I'm doing this one, this is doesn't go this far. So it is the lining, but I'll correct it. But I just want you to comment, how do you think? How do you feel? You feel me? How do you feel? So maybe I close it and then you let me know. Oh my goodness, your girl is hot. Your girl is hot. Ah. Ah. So what do you think? Comments. Comments. So this is it. It isn't that far, like it isn't that long. Yeah. But that is how it looks. Yeah. That is it. Oh. Yeah. So I want you to comment. What do you think? Is this a pass or a miss? I love it so much. So much. This one went for $3. Yeah. $3. Yeah. Going straight to outfit number 3. Yeah. Okay. This is how it looks. It looks yummy. It looks sweet, of course. But I'm super excited, guys. I'm a lover of this type of clothes. I'm so much excited that I've got to have them. Like, comment. How do you think? How is this one? Like, this one isn't that big. So, see it when it is on my body. Here. Okay. How do you see? Oh my god. I look hot, right? What do you think? This one went for $1. This is for $1. Yeah. So this is how it looks. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Oh. Is it a pass or a miss? This is outfit number 3. Yes. Outfit number 3. And this went for $2.5. $2.5. Yeah. So comment, how do I look? Super cute, right? I'm even blushing when I'm looking at myself. Oh my goodness. Outfit number 4, guys. Okay. 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 Guys, this is outfit number 4. Yeah. This is how it is. I want you to comment, how does it look? So guys, let me tell you, this outfit had a case at the market. So what happened is I had picked this, like I had picked it, I had worn it, but the ladies, there's other ladies who were there, so they saw that I've worn it, and then all of a sudden I had put it aside. So they told me, can you kindly see that outfit, you know? So I was like, okay, if you want to see it, fine, I have no problem. So after they picked it, like one of them wore it, they decided that they're not going to give it to me there again. So I'm like, you saw I've removed that outfit from my body. Why are you saying that you want to pay for it? You know? That is so bad. So when I told them, no, I was the first one to pick their outfit, and then you've decided that you're going to take it, I can't give it to you because I was the first one to say it. So they had chosen another outfit, another jacket, of course, and they decided that they're not going to take any of them because I've taken this one. So I want you to comment below. Did I do a mistake of asking them to give them an outfit? Because honestly, I was the first one to pick it. I wore it and let me wear it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Yes, baby girl. Yes. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? It is very long, guys. is also long. And then I love the fact that this is where it reaches my hands, right over here. Yes. Yeah. 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 Oh my goodness. Comment down below. What do you think? Like, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. Yes. For the first time, I'm having a denim. A denim. So that one, guys, went for $2.5. Yeah. This one went for $1.5. It's a denim jacket, and I loved it. Oh my goodness. How do I look in this? Oh. It rhymes with my kid. Okay. There is speak when it is at our body, my body. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it, guys. I love it so much. And then the length is the length is just amazing. Yeah, it is pretty long, and then it fits me nice, guys. I remember this pretty jacket right over here for $3. Can you imagine? Isn't that a joke? And then I got this one for the window, for my window. Yeah, it is pretty long. For those, I love it. What do you think? Then it is super thick. So this went for $3. Yes, $3. Yeah, and then it is super thick. If it was tush, like second-hand things, we can't afford first-hand things, of course. And then I got this mattress cover. Oh my god, I found something very pretty, but honestly I didn't have money to buy it, but it caught my eyes. So this is a mattress cover. I'm a lover of this. I love when I put these ones when I am sleeping. I'm not a type of a person who sleeps and waits until morning. I have to dance in that bed. So even if I'm rolling on that bed, I love when I come in the morning. Okay, come in the morning, I found my bed still intact. So that is why I love this. You can see it has some bladder right over here to hold the mattress, and that is what honestly I love about this type of bed cover or mattress cover. Yeah, so I wanted a white one, but I didn't get one. It is somehow cream, though it looks like white, but it isn't white. It looks like cream. Yeah, so that is it. Yeah, so guys, that has been today. I don't know how you take it, but honestly I'm in love with this vlog, because I'm very sure you're going to get inspired, because maybe you're going to get some type of a cloth maybe that has inspired you. So I want you to comment down below, from cloth number 1 to maybe the curtain and all that, like the curtain of the window. I want you to comment which was your favorite, like the favorite jacket, right? How do I call them? What was your favorite jacket? And yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm so much humbled. If you have watched this vlog till this end, I want you to comment a green emoji of love. This one of love, a green one, to show me that you watched this video till to the end. And thank you so much, because I know you're perfect people for me, because you've always been supporting me. So make sure that you subscribe, kindly share this video, you know. That is the best way you can support me. And then maybe give it a thumbs up, and yeah, leave a comment. What do you think? So thank you so much, and let me see you on another one. Bye, and have a great one. Peace.